Cameras will not be allowed inside the courtroom for the Millete murder trial. The judge just made that ruling a couple of hours ago.
News 8's Kelly Hussedall joining us live from the South Bay Courthouse. So no cameras there, but the media will still be able to go in there and report on this, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And I got to tell you guys, this was pretty stunning because up until now, the media has been allowed to capture pretty much every hearing. So I think that a lot of us were surprised by the judge's ruling today. But this is a big win for the defense. The defense has been arguing that Larry Millete cannot get a fair trial with cameras inside the courtroom. And today the judge sided with them. So yes, the media can sit in on the trial. The public can sit in on the trial. But as far as any video recordings, any streaming, none of that is permitted. So cameras were not allowed inside the courtroom today for pretrial motions, but we do have some video of Larry Millete at a previous hearing. He was in court today, though. He is sitting there between his two defense attorneys. He's wearing a mask. His hair is pulled back in a ponytail. He has on glasses. Now, the judge heard arguments on a number of motions this morning, including whether or not to allow a jury to hear a 4-minute 911 call from Maya Millete's sister, whether or not to allow that at trial, whether or not to allow cell phone records, cell phone tower records at trial. He ruled both of those will be admitted, but there was also a lot of back and forth over whether or not to allow the jury to see a journal entry written by the victim, Maya Millete, back in 2002. It's 82 pages long. The prosecution says it speaks to the state of mind of the victim. The defense argued, how is this relevant? How is something written so long ago when Maya was 20 relevant to this case, especially when, the person who wrote this entry is not here to be questioned about it. The judge just ruled on this, and he said it will not be allowed at trial. He sided with the defense. So back out here live in the background of all of the proceedings that are happening today is the fact that the defense is still trying to get the DA's office removed from this trial altogether. So a hearing on that matter is scheduled for Thursday.